Welcome back to my channel, guys. I just came across one airdrop for those who have claimed their BABT on Binance. As it is said, I know the airdrop is not really much, but at least it's something. So I'll take you through. I'll drop the link in the video description section. But for now, you go through Kiwi browser. Make sure you're using the Kiwi browser. So I've already connected my wallet here. This is BSC. So once I drop the link, just follow the link, come down here to where this you see connected. You see connect web3 wallet. It's a new feature on BSC. So you just connect to the what is it called, the trust wallet you used when connecting to Binance. So you can just use that same wallet. So after using that, you come to claim. Click on write, then connect to the wallet again. Oh, I don't have sufficient network fee. Okay, I will fund the wallet now with BNB. It is 0.17 BNB. So now I've funded the wallet with gas fee. So now it's asking me to connect back to my wallet. So I'll click on connect to web3, wallet connect, then I'll click connect. I'm using trust wallet. So this is the wallet I'm using. Now save and leave, go back. Wallet should be connected by now. And say okay. So you can see the wallet is now connected. So now click on write below claim here. So click write, go to connect the wallet once again. So now 0.17 approve, then you save and leave. So now let me view my transaction. So it's actually that, I think it's just the transaction of that gas fee. Okay, this one is just the gas fee. So they say from this address to this. Okay, one BAB fans token has been sent to me. So now I need to go and add the contract address to my wallet so that I can see the token given to me. So now I've copied the contract address. One thing I want you to know, I will drop the contract address in the video description section for you guys. So I'll go here, I'll search the contract address. I'll drop the link and the contract address for you guys. So now it's on Binance Smart Chain. Just paste the address. You can see it's pop up automatically. So you can see this is what I have. So now I cannot know the value because it's not yet listed on Trust Wallet. So now I'll just go to PooCoin or PancakeSwap. You can see PooCoin.app/swap. I'm using Smart Chain Network. So let's say I'm using this, paste. So let's say I'm swapping to BUSD. Oh, people has actually dumped the value. So now it's now just $3. Oh, it was earlier before now when I saw guys doing it. It was $5. But now it's currently $3. So if you think it's not too small for you, you can actually run it as well. So it's even dumping more. So I hope you see the video earlier. That's why I always shout you should turn on notification. At least you can use that fund for gas fee. Oh, my bad. So my gas fee is not even enough, so I can't claim it. So the gas is high. Let me try if USDT would be okay. So Binance Smart Chain gas fee is currently high, but I will just be dropping the video for those who are, that means you're making roughly around just $1 or thereabouts compared when you, or you can just keep it instead of selling it. You can just keep it in case there is, because I noticed they have a lot of holders, which is 5,000 plus holders. So, and that's actually not bad. You can actually just keep it and see if it turns something. Since it's something you get for free, you can actually just wait. Let me show you what I mean. When you click on the token, you can see the total supply of the token. You can see the total supply. It's just 17,494, and they already have 6,000 plus addresses. So what I will do is I will just leave it in the wallet and see how it goes instead of selling now. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you think it's okay for you, you can do it, but if you think it's you don't need such amount, you can just leave it. So, but you can share to others who might be interested in getting it. At least it can serve as gas fee for them. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and also turn on notification on this video on my channel. Thank you, guys.